Did you know that almost half of the 400 million people with diabetes globally are unaware that they have the disease? Even more frightening is the fact that diabetes frequently develops suddenly and silently deteriorates your body until it is too late. The good news is that when something is wrong, your body will give you small clues. We're going to reveal the 7 deadly signs of diabetes that you can't afford to ignore today. Keep an eye out, this could save your life or the life of a loved one. Introduction. Diabetes is a long-term illness that affects how your body uses glucose or blood sugar. High blood sugar levels can cause major problems, including heart disease, kidney failure, and even blindness if they are not treated. They can also have a devastating effect on your organs, nerves, and blood vessels. The difficult part. Many of the signs of diabetes are mild or can be confused with other conditions. Therefore, it's critical to identify the warning signals as soon as possible. We'll go over the 7 most serious signs of diabetes in this video, which frequently appear suddenly. It's time to act if you or someone you know is going through any of these. Symptom 1. Extreme thirst and frequent urination. Let's begin with extreme thirst and frequent urination, 2 of the most prevalent but often disregarded symptoms. Your body may be having trouble controlling your blood sugar levels if you're always reaching for a glass of water and making frequent trips to the restroom. This occurs because your kidneys have to work harder to filter and absorb the extra glucose when your blood sugar levels are too high. However, when they are unable to keep up, the glucose is expelled into your urine, dehydrating you by drawing fluids out of your tissues. This sets off a vicious cycle of frequent urination and thirst. Don't ignore this pattern as the result of being overly busy or consuming too much coffee. It might be your body alerting you to risk. Symptom 2. Unexplained weight loss. The next topic is sudden weight loss. Although it may appear to be a dream come true to shed a few pounds, weight loss without trying is a significant indicator of diabetes. The science behind this is as follows. When the body is unable to utilize glucose for energy due to insufficient insulin or resistance in the cells, it begins to burn fat and muscle as a substitute. This sudden weight loss is the result of the rapid breakdown of fat and muscle, regardless of whether one is consuming a normal or increased amount of food. It is time to consult a doctor if you have experienced a substantial weight loss without altering your diet or exercise regimen. This symptom is particularly prevalent in individuals with type 1 diabetes, but it can also manifest in those with type 2. Symptom 3. Blurred vision. Blurred vision is another subtle sign of diabetes. When your blood sugar levels are too high, fluid can collect in your eye lenses, causing blurred vision and distortion. Although it may only cause a little discomfort at first, this condition can worsen into diabetic retinopathy, cataracts, or even irreversible blindness if not addressed. Guess what? If caught early enough and blood sugar levels are properly managed, this symptom can usually go away. So don't put all the blame on age or screen time if you've experienced sudden changes in your eyesight. Quickly have your blood sugar levels checked. Symptom 4. Fatigue and irritability. A persistent fatigue that won't go away, even after a full night of sleep. This may indicate that you have diabetes. You may experience symptoms like irritability and fatigue as a result of your body's inefficiency in converting glucose into energy. You will experience fatigue, lethargy, and mood swings when your cells do not receive the fuel they require. Feeling overwhelmed is a common complaint among people with undiagnosed diabetes, especially when they add the stress of managing other symptoms to the mix. You should look into it more if you're always exhausted and don't know why. There may be some crucial message your body wants to convey. Symptom 5. Slow healing wounds. Wounds that take a long time to heal are an unexpected and very concerning symptom. When blood sugar levels are too high, it damages the body's blood vessels and nerves, which slows circulation and makes wound healing more difficult. The risk of infection increases when even small wounds like scrapes, bruises, or cuts take weeks or months to heal. Foot ulcers or worse, amputations, may result from this in extreme circumstances. Do not disregarding the fact that your wounds are taking longer to heal than usual. Your blood sugar levels may be dangerously high if this happens. Symptom 6. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet. The loss of feeling in your extremities, such as your hands and feet, is another concerning loss of feeling in your extremities. Consistently high blood sugar levels over an extended period of time can damage nerves, a condition known as diabetic neuropathy. In the beginning, you may experience tingling or numbness in your limbs. Untreated, this can eventually lead to numbness, weakened muscles, or excruciating pain. Quick action is required if you are experiencing these symptoms. There is no way to reverse nerve damage, but it can be mitigated with prompt treatment. Symptom 7. Recurring infections. Finally, getting infections over and over is a big sign that you might have diabetes. If you have high blood sugar, it makes it harder for your body to fight off germs and viruses. Urinary tract infections, yeast infections, and skin infections are all common types of infections. When you get sick more often or infections keep coming back, it means your blood sugar is too high. Don't forget that your body is like a well-oiled machine. Things send signals when something is wrong. Don't ignore them. You or someone you know should see a healthcare provider right away if they are experiencing any of these symptoms. If you catch the problem early and take care of it properly, you can avoid serious problems and even save your life. And if you want to learn more about health that could save your life, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. We can help people take charge of their health and raise awareness if we work together.